Hello, today we have a PA Industries Uncoiler brought to you by Lanco. As you can see, this is in great condition and works. Total dimensions is 30 by 30 by 53 tall. This is wired for 115 volts, 10 amp. Weighs a total of 220 pounds. It can withstand 200-pound capacity, has forward reverse remote, and 8-inch wide reel. We'll go ahead and get that started for you right now. As you can see, it comes with the dancer bar as well. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.